Hello and welcome to Let's Learn Together. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make I'll show you how to run it, not how to make it. So you need chat for this, ChatGPT, Python. No, you don't really need Python. I mean you need VS Code and you need the Python extension, which you should have installed either with the extension or literally installed on your laptop. So let's hack chat. You should answer this question. Use Python to make it. Okay, so it says how do I make a Firefox browser that opened up google.com, which was kind of wrong here. So then you have to say don't worry, this will be in the description below. Use Python to make it. It will say what I type. It'll say type to chat, and then it will show you what I typed in the description below. So let's see. This is what it should show. Something similar like that. Then you should copy it, paste it right here. Click this play button. It won't show you the play button unless you have the Python extension. And if it shows this, that means you succeeded and well done. If it did, you have to keep asking chat to help you fix it. Never get but if it sometimes chat cannot help you all the time, as I said in the other video with ChatGPT. Thank you for watching Let's Learn Together. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you felt this was valuable, please do subscribe, hit the like button and check out some more videos.